Have you ever received an updated AutoCAD drawing and wondered exactly what changed compared to the previous version? Maybe a client sent a revised floor plan, an engineer modified a structural drawing, or a team member updated a project while you were working on another task. Manually zooming in and out, comparing sheets side by side, and searching for differences can take hours and still leave important changes unnoticed. Fortunately, AutoCAD includes powerful tools that can automatically compare two versions of a drawing and highlight the differences for you. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to compare drawings, identify modifications, and review changes quickly and accurately. First, let's understand why drawing comparison is important. In real projects, drawings often go through dozens of revisions. Walls move, dimensions change, equipment gets relocated, layers are modified, and annotations are updated. Without a reliable comparison process, it is easy to miss critical changes that could affect design decisions, coordination, construction, or manufacturing. AutoCAD's comparison tools help eliminate guesswork by automatically identifying differences between two DWG files. The easiest method is using the Drawing Compare feature. Open AutoCAD and type DWG Compare in the command line, then press Enter. The Compare Drawings dialog box will appear. You will be asked to select the original drawing and the revised drawing. Browse to the two files you want to compare and select them. Once the files are chosen, AutoCAD analyzes both drawings and creates a comparison result. The software automatically identifies added objects, deleted objects, and modified objects. Changes are displayed using colored highlights, so you can immediately see what was added, removed, or altered between versions. This is far faster and more accurate than trying to compare drawings manually. After the comparison opens, spend a few moments navigating through the highlighted differences. AutoCAD provides tools that allow you to move from one detected change to the next. This makes it easy to review every modification without searching through the entire drawing manually. Zoom into each highlighted area and verify whether the change is intentional and correct. One particularly useful feature is the ability to import comparison results into the current drawing. This allows you to keep a record of changes directly inside the project. In collaborative environments, this can help document revisions and communicate updates to team members. If your version of AutoCAD does not include Drawing Compare, you can still perform comparisons manually using XREFs. Open the current drawing and attach the previous version as an XREF. Place both drawings in the same coordinate system and use different colors or layer settings to distinguish them. Areas where geometry overlaps indicate no change, while visible differences reveal modifications between versions. Layers play an important role during comparisons. Before analyzing results, ensure that all layers are turned on and thawed in both drawings. Hidden layers can prevent certain changes from being detected visually. Consistent layer management helps produce more accurate comparison results. You should also verify that both drawings use the same units, coordinate systems, and insertion points. If one drawing has been moved or scaled incorrectly, AutoCAD may report numerous false differences. Before running the comparison, confirm that both files align properly and represent the same project area. For large drawings, comparison performance can be improved by cleaning the files first. Run Audit to repair drawing errors and Purge to remove unused objects. This reduces unnecessary data and helps AutoCAD focus on meaningful differences. If the files contain excessive annotation scales or duplicate geometry, cleaning them beforehand can make comparison results easier to interpret. Another useful practice is saving drawings with clear revision numbers. File names such as Project A Rev 01, Project A Rev 02, and Project A Rev 03 make it easier to identify which versions should be compared. Maintaining a structured revision system prevents confusion when multiple drawing versions exist. If you discover important changes, document them immediately. Add revision clouds, update revision tables, or create notes describing the modifications. This ensures that everyone involved in the project understands what has changed and reduces the likelihood of errors during implementation. Remember that not every highlighted difference represents a design change. Sometimes modifications result from layer property changes, text adjustments, block updates, or annotation edits. Review each highlighted area carefully before making decisions based on the comparison results. So to summarize, use DWG Compare to automatically compare two drawing versions, review highlighted additions, deletions, and modifications, navigate through detected changes, verify layer visibility and alignment, clean drawings using audit and purge if necessary, and maintain a clear revision system for future comparisons. Following these steps will help you identify drawing changes quickly, accurately, and with far less effort than manual comparison methods. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to compare two versions of an AutoCAD drawing and find changes efficiently. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD productivity tips, troubleshooting tutorials, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.